The Poly TC10 touch panel can be connected to a compatible Poly video system to use as a scheduling or control panel, or it can operate as a standalone device. In this video we will demonstrate how to use the Poly TC10 when it is not paired to a compatible Poly video system. During the initial boot sequence of the Poly TC10, you will be asked to choose your language and location. The Poly TC10 will also show the network information for the device. You may be asked to update the software. Please select Update. The touch panel will update and then restart. Now, you will be prompted to choose how to set up the Poly TC10. To use the Poly TC10 in standalone mode, select Use as a standalone device. Press Continue. Next, select your clock preferences. Continue. If you plan to use your Poly TC10 as a Zoom Room scheduling panel, first ensure that your Zoom account can use scheduling panels for standalone operation. You will also need to associate the proper email account with the display. The Poly TC10 asks if you would like to skip pairing and launch Zoom Rooms. Press Continue. Once the Poly TC10 is paired, you can view or reserve any Zoom Room that is part of your Zoom ecosystem. An additional Poly TC10 or Poly TC8 touch panel may still be used in the room as a controller.